Hello, welcome to Shared Writing. As a reminder, we have already gathered and taken notes in order to create a summary on our natural disaster. So we've researched, we've taken proper notes. Today, we are going to summarize our notes and put them into paragraphs. I am so excited to read about your natural disaster. We are going to be turning our notes into paragraphs today, so I want us to make sure we focus on organization. The quote off to the side there says, organization is about the structure of a piece of writing. Nothing holds your piece together or holds a reader's attention better than a sturdy, easy to follow organization. So as we write our summary, we need to make sure that it stays organized so that our readers have an easy time following along. Today, our focus is on writing informative and explanatory text to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. We need 3 different sections in our writing. We need an introduction, a body, and a conclusion. For the introduction, we want to introduce our topic. So try using an interesting fact to introduce your natural disaster. Off to the side, you can see I wrote, did you know that most tornadoes in the northern hemisphere spin counterclockwise, while most tornadoes in the southern hemisphere spin clockwise? Tornadoes are natural disasters that can happen anytime, anywhere. Here, I introduce my topic of tornadoes with an interesting fact. The next thing we need is a body. For the body, we want to answer the questions we have researched. Each question can actually be its own paragraph. You notice off to the side, I wrote a little bit about tornadoes. The tornadoes occur when a cold front and a warm front meet. When these two fronts meet, the atmosphere changes, the wind direction and speed changes. The winds start to rotate and form a tornado. Since the tornadoes are formed from cold air from Canada and warm air from the Gulf of Mexico, tornadoes typically happen in Tornado Alley. Tornado Alley is in the middle of the U.S. This area in the Midwest has the most recorded tornadoes in the world. Although they have the most, no state is free from a tornado. Tornadoes have been recorded in every state. You can see I'm taking some of the questions of how does a tornado form, where do they occur, and putting them into paragraphs for my body paragraphs. The last section we need is a conclusion section. For the conclusion, we want to wrap up our writing so the audience isn't left hanging. We can add another interesting fact here. As you can see up to the side, I wrote, you might be thinking tornadoes only affect the land, but you would be wrong. There are tornadoes that happen over water as well. They are called waterspouts. Tornadoes are strong, powerful natural disasters that can occur anywhere. Now that we have gone over how to take notes and turn them into paragraphs, I want you to give it a try. Use your notes from your research to help you write sentences. Remember, start with a strong beginning. That can include an interesting fact. Make sure your body paragraph flows, that each question goes right into the next. Wrap up your thinking at the end, just so our audience isn't left hanging, wondering what's next.